Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add the Adobe Acrobat extension in Google Chrome. So from your search bar, just start typing chromewebstore.google.com. And from here, you can see another search bar that writes search extension and themes. And from here, just start typing or searching Adobe Acrobat, then just press on enter. As you can see, the Adobe Acrobat extension easily pops up at the top of all the extensions list. So just click on it. And from here, just click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. So as you can see, we have now successfully added Adobe Acrobat to our Google Chrome extensions. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily add Adobe Acrobat extension on your Google Chrome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!